everyone, it's Stacy, and today we're going to go over one of the basic building blocks of crochet, and that is the single crochet stitch. I already made a basic chain and I did a row of single crochet in every single stitch for the basic chain. So we're going to just show you how to even insert the hook into a stitch. So when you're looking at the stitches, you see little tiny V's, like you see right here. So each V is a stitch. So when inserting your hook, you're not gonna go in the one that you're currently hooked into. So you see how I'm in this first stitch already? So you're gonna start with the second one, the second V right here. I'm gonna go underneath those two V's. So we go under just those two V's there. So do you see how I just went under only those two pieces of yarn? So now it looks like that. You're going to go under, yarn over, and pull through. So now you have two loops on your hook. And because it's just a single crochet, you're just going to yarn over once. So that's one time yarning over, and you're going to pull through both loops. So that's one single crochet. I'm going to show that to you again. So see how we're already in this one hook here, this one stitch rather. We're not going to work in this one. We're going to work in the next one that we're not worked in. So we're going to go to the next V, which is right here. You're going to go under those two, like so. Yarn over, pull through. We have our two loops. Since, like I said, it's a single crochet, we're only going to yarn over once. So yarn over and then pull through. Oops. So that's two single crochets. Do that again. Go into the next V, which is technically the next stitch for technical terms. Pull through, we have our two loops, yarn over once, and pull through.